If you like all things spooky and Halloween, you have got to get your hands on this really cute Coffin message board. It's really fun and so easy to put on. Obviously, you just have all these little bumps in here. So the back of each of the little plastic characters have just that little clip right there, and you can place it anywhere in between. It just sits in nice and easily. The Coffin comes with the easel, so obviously you can use this, or if you want, you can it comes with the hardware to actually hang it up on the wall, whichever you choose to do. It actually comes with over 500 different characters. I will be honest, they come like this, and it takes a really long time to twist each one of them off. So that will be a little side project that I'm going to do, but then it comes with a little bag that you can put all of the pieces in. So you, of course, have all of the, you have numbers, you have all the letters. Of course, you have like the little hashtag. There's all kinds of different emojis. There's like scary ones, but then of course, like there's cute happy faces. You have music notes, stars, hearts. You have everything. Of course, you have over 500 of them. So that's really great. So this is something that I will probably put up around Halloween, but probably just keep year round because it's so cute.